Jai Hind student, today we are going to discuss the another topic in the chapter aggregate demand and aggregate supply, that is the concept of multiplier. The level of investment play an important role in the determination of income and output. Therefore, a change in investment affect the level of income and output and employment in the economy. When there is an investment, it increases the productivity capacity of economy. Therefore, the level of output and employment also increase. On the other hand, decrease in investment decrease the output and employment, productivity capacity and output and employment in the economy also. In order to estimate the impact of the change in investment on income, Keynes introduced the concept of multiplier. The concept of multiplier has been important place in Keynes theory income and employment. Keynes term and investment output multiplier. Why it is called investment multiplier? Because it is called investment multiplier because it tells us that increase in investment is initial for the increase in income, or increase in income possible as a result of increase in investment. It is clear that the concept multiplier tells us the relationship between the change in investment and change in income. Now, what is the meaning and definition of multiplier? The Keynes tell us that whenever the investment is increased in a country, income does not increase only to the extent of increase in investment, but many times over the increase in investment. This multiply increase in income is response to increase in investment in the term investment multiplier by Keynes. Economy have defined multipliers as follow. According to the Dellard, the investment multiplier is the ratio of increase in income to the given increase in investment. In common sense term, the investment multiplier means that when the investment increase, the national income will increase not only by the amount of investment but in some multiply of it. So, in short, multiply means the ratio of change in income to the change in investment. This can be expressed symbolic with the help of the following formula: K is equal to delta Y upon delta I, that is change in income upon change in investment. For instance, if you take if the increase in income is 80 crore in response to 20 crore, the increase in investment then will be 4, so 80 upon 20. If the value of multiply is given, we calculate the increase in income as per result increase in investment. This will be calculated with the help of the following formula: delta Y is equal to K dot delta I. To take the for example, if multiply is 4, increase in investment is 20 crore, then increase in income will be equal to 80 crore, that is 4 into 20. Thank you.